Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 222 power 3x plus 222 power x is equals to 222 and we have to find x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 222 power 3 power x, we can write this as plus 222 power x is equals to 222. Now, according to exponent rule, a power mn, we can write it as a power n power m or a power n power n. So here I can write this as 222 power x whole cube plus 222 power x is equals to 222. Now I am going to take in substitution and put 222 power x is equals to a. Now I'm going to replace it with a cube plus a is equals to 222 or a cube plus a minus 222 is equals to 0. So if I write the prime factorization of 222 is 2 times 3 times 37, or I can write it as 6 times 37. So I can break this as a cube plus this middle a as 36a minus 37a minus 222 is equals to 0. So this gives us negative. So we'll replace the sign here with positive and here is negative. So from the first two terms, I can take a as common. So a square minus 36. And if I take 37 as common, so a minus 6 is equals to 0. So a square minus 36 as 6 square plus 37 times a minus 6. Here I can use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So a times a plus 6, a minus 6 plus 37 times a minus 6 is equals to 0. Now I can take a minus 6 as common. So a plus 6 plus 37 is equals to 0. Now a minus 6 are here. If we multiply this a with bracket, a square plus 6a plus 37 is equals to 0. So if these are the two roots and both are equals to 0, so a is equals to 6 and here a square plus 6a plus 37 is equals to 0. So first we check with the discriminant rule, their roots exist or not. B square minus 4ac. So that is 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 37. So 4 times 37 is greater than 36. So their real roots does not exist because x is in the power. So we are going to use a is equals to 6 only. So as we know, we take in substitution. So 222 power x is equals to a. So 222 power x is equals to 6. Now I'm going to taking log on both sides. So log 222 power x is equals to log 6. According to log rule, log a power b is equals to b log a. So x log 222 is equals to log 6. Now I'm going to divide with log 222 both sides. So x is equals to log 6 by log 222. So the value of log 6 is 0.7782, and the value of log 222 is 2.3464. So x is equals to 0.7782 by 2.3464, which gave us the value 0.3317. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.